Hi, welcome to my channel. In this video, I show you how to write Y in cursive Chinese. Now let's get started. In standard script, Y it means outside. In addition, or foreign. Y. In cursive, you can write it like this. Y. Y. For example, 另外 另外 in addition. 另外海外海外 overseas 之外之外 excluding 此外besides 外出出 means to go out. Y. Outside, in addition, foreign. 另外 in addition, 海外 overseas, 之外 excluding, 此外 besides, 外出 to go out. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click the bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.